Groundbreaking study reveals where love lives in the brain. Love is a complex and deeply ingrained human experience, profoundly influencing your relationships and emotional well-being. Researchers have sought to decode its neural underpinnings, aiming to understand why love spans such a vast spectrum, from romantic affection to parental bonds, friendships, and even a profound connection to nature. A recent study has advanced this quest, revealing surprising insights about the brain's activity during various expressions of love. The study, conducted by researchers at Aalto University and published in Cerebral Cortex, investigated the neural mechanisms behind feelings of love for 6 distinct categories: romantic partners, children, friends, strangers, pets, and nature. Participants, all parents in loving relationships, listened to short narrated scenarios designed to evoke specific feelings of love, while their brain activity was recorded using functional magnetic resonance imaging known as fMRI. The researchers sought to map out which brain regions are activated during love and how these patterns vary by the type of love experienced. We now provide a more comprehensive picture of the brain activity associated with different types of love than previous research, said Rinne, the lead philosopher and researcher of the study. In short, the brain's reward system plays a central role in feelings of love. In romantic and parental love, the reward areas, such as the striatum, showed the highest activation. Parental love, in particular, uniquely engaged deep reward pathways in the brain, underscoring its evolutionary importance for fostering parental care and survival of offspring. Interestingly, the study found that all forms of interpersonal love, whether for romantic partners, friends, or strangers, activated brain regions associated with social cognition. These areas include the precuneus and temporoparietal junction, which are integral to understanding others' thoughts and emotions. However, compassionate love for strangers triggered less intense activity, reflecting the weaker emotional bond. Love for pets and nature, on the other hand, showed distinct patterns, while pet owners exhibited brain activity similar to interpersonal love. Love for nature primarily activated reward and visual brain regions, bypassing areas linked to social cognition. This finding highlights the diverse neural mechanisms underlying different forms of love. To evoke feelings of love, participants heard emotionally rich narratives like, "You see your newborn child for the first time. The baby is soft, healthy, and hearty." After each story, participants were instructed to immerse themselves in the emotion for 10 seconds. Neutral stories, such as mundane depictions of brushing teeth, served as controls. These scenarios revealed nuanced differences in brain responses. Romantic love and love for children elicited the most intense activity, reinforcing their profound emotional and biological significance. Meanwhile, narratives involving love for pets demonstrated clear distinctions between pet owners and non-pet owners. Pet owners showed heightened activity in brain areas tied to sociality,